In this video, I'll show you how to get into incognito mode in Google Chrome. So incognito mode allows you to surf the net without it recording your history, your cookies, any form information, etc. So you open Google Chrome, and to get into incognito mode, you press Control Shift and the letter N. Control Shift the letter N, and there we are. We've got an incognito mode. Now, in the top bar along the top here, this is where you can actually go to a website. So you can put the website address there, or you can just do a generic search for cars or dogs or whatever you like. To exit incognito mode, you click there and you go close incognito mode, and you're back to the normal Google search.